banana.
Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. It's Jthetinker, and I bring to you a collaboration with Fab Abby Fitness in building her branded epoxy wooden sign. I hope you enjoy this video. In case you missed last week's, I randomly chose Dak Kelson from my subscribers to win the 50 subscriber giveaway. His sign is in progress, and I look forward to the next giveaway at 100 subscribers. Enjoy the show. Well, there it is, a branded wooden epoxy sign for Fab Abby Fitness. Be sure to check out her channel for those of you with teenage daughters looking to remain active in this new environment we find ourselves. She posts twice a week, and your support would be truly appreciated. I will say that this project was not perfect the first go around. Be sure to follow all the directions and remain patient. Look forward to hearing from each of you, and thank you for watching. Remember, there will be another giveaway at 100 subscribers. Let's share the passion and have some imagination. Another project coming soon. I can also be found on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Jthetinker.